Hii watu ya magazeti mlikuwa mnasema niseme kitu na Kiswahili. Mko tayari? I want to say the following. We are, as a country, very disturbed by the events of yesterday. The deaths that came out of the ill-planned demonstrations by Azimio, destruction of property, and interference with business. These Azimio people must know that elections are over. Elections were won and lost. They must move on. William Ruto is the president of Kenya, and nothing can change that fact. Even if they collect 10 million signatures, where will they take those signatures? To who? Matters elections are not decided by signatures. They are decided on the ballot. A specific date was set for that purpose, 9th of August 2022, and people signed, and that was the head of signatures until after 5 years. What they should be doing is preparing themselves for the next contest. And I want to say and tell the people of Kenya just to stay focused. We are not going to be bothered by the noise from the opposition. We have a plan. We have an MOU with the people of Kenya on tea, coffee, and milk reforms. We have given the Hustler Fund. We have given subsidized fertilizer, and we are grateful to God for giving us good rains. We are going to have a bumper harvest. Raila Odinga was somebody's project, and it failed miserably. Even those demonstrations, they have been planned and financed by the project owners. We want to ask them. They are saying that they can remove President William Ruto from office. They were unable to stop him from becoming president when they had power, the system, and the deep state. How do they intend to go about it when they are outside there in the wilderness? So we want to tell the people of Kenya, there is no constitutional provision for anybody to collect signatures against a sitting president. They are just wasting their time. And we want to urge our president to stay focused, to continue doing the right thing, to continue on the journey for economic prosperity and the empowerment of our people. Siyo mumesikia sasa? Mutangaze hiyo kama mtataka. Kama hamtaki, turudi kwa Kikuyu.